Fish has been a staple in global cuisine for thousands of years, drawing from the abundant resources of the oceans, lakes, and rivers. This narrative explores some of the best-rated fish dishes in the world, offering a culinary journey that spans continents and cultures, showcasing the artistry and flavor that can be found in diverse fish preparations. In the land of the rising sun, sushi is more than just a dish. It's an art form. Originating in the Edo period as a way to preserve fish, sushi has become a global sensation. The delicate balance of vinegared rice, fresh, raw fish, and subtle condiments is where true sushi mastery shines. As we explore Tokyo's Tsukiji Market, the largest fish market in the world, we encounter sashimi so fresh that it melts in the mouth, and sushi rolls that boast creative flair, like the ever-popular toro, featuring the buttery, fatty belly of tuna. France, known for its gastronomic wonders, offers bouillabaisse, a traditional Provençal fish stew that has enchanted palates for centuries. This dish showcases a medley of ingredients, a rich broth infused with saffron and herbs, a variety of fish such as monkfish, and shellfish like mussels and prawns. Originating from the bustling port city of Marseille, bouillabaisse stands as a testament to France's ability to transform simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. In Portugal, bacalhau, or salt cod, enjoys legendary status. Said to have over 365 variations, one for each day of the year, bacalhau is a testament to Portuguese ingenuity and tradition. Popular dishes include bacalhau à brás, where shredded codfish is mixed with potatoes, olives, and eggs. The narrative includes a visit to Lisbon, where bacalhau is celebrated in both humble taverns and gourmet restaurants, promising an explosion of flavors with every bite. Crossing the Atlantic to South America, we find ceviche, a dish that captures the vibrant spirit of Peru. Raw fish cured in citrus juices, combined with spicy chili peppers, onion, and cilantro, creates a fresh and tangy dish that resonates with the country's rich Incan heritage. Lima, often considered the culinary capital of South America, serves as the backdrop for exploring ceviche, where chefs creatively balance acidity and heat, honoring tradition while embracing modern culinary techniques. In the heart of Southeast Asia, Thailand offers tom yum goong, a hot and sour soup loaded with shrimp, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, and galangal. Known for its bold flavors and aromatic profile, this dish epitomizes Thai cuisine's use of fresh herbs and spices. In bustling Bangkok, we dive into street food markets where tom yum goong is crafted with care, each spoonful offering a symphony of taste that transports diners to the tropics. As we conclude our journey through the world's best-rated fish dishes, it becomes clear that fish, in its myriad forms, is more than just sustenance. These dishes represent the convergence of history, culture, and culinary expertise. They invite us to appreciate the artistry in cooking and the global tapestry of community that binds us all through shared flavors and culinary experiences. Whether you are savoring a delicate piece of sushi, indulging in the richness of bouillabaisse, or relishing the pungency of tom yum, each bite is a celebration of cultural heritage and gastronomic excellence.